The all-new GATOR CAGE wall cabinet is designed to organize and store Alligator Sensit sensors and service kits to make servicing TPMS easier than ever. The GATOR CAGE can store rubber snap-in sensors, metal clamp-in sensors, and even universal service kits. The GATOR CAGE is only 22 inches wide, 9 inches tall, and 6 inches deep, allowing for it to be easily placed on any open wall in the shop. Installation is a quick and easy process. Simply install the included screws on any wall, slide on the cage, and tighten the screws. You are then ready to place products into the opening. The GATOR CAGE can hold up to 10 boxes of any assortment of sensors and service kits. Each box is fitted with a quick access opening and includes individually wrapped packages. When it's time to service a vehicle, simply pop open the box, pull out a sensor, program it to the desired vehicle, and install the sensor into the wheel. For more information on the GATOR CAGE wall cabinet and RS Plus sensors, visit alligator-tpms.com.